Jai, well done. Then we do this thing quickly.
Perfectly, man.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, the case is that case that was instigated by the DSS against me for calling Tinubu a criminal. So we are getting into the case now. The last time we were here, it was a complete disaster because the judge has asked our lawyer to kneel down. We resisted that. But now we have gone to the stage where we have applied for a no-case submission. And that has been served on the government lawyers, prosecutors, and they've been asked to reply to our motion for a no-case submission. And we've also been asked to reply on the point of law. And we're coming back on May 4th, 2026 to adopt our processes. That's why we are here today. Nothing spectacular happened beyond that, but the lawyer can always explain to you. But I think you guys should get a copy of the no-case submission so that you can see for yourself that there was never a case in the first place. So, over to you, Marshal.
Gentlemen of the press, the matter was slated today for defense, the filing of a no-case submission. We've done that, so we eventually got the record of proceedings, and we've already filed our no-case submission. We've also served the prosecution with the no-case submission. They applied for 48 hours to file their response to our no-case submission. And so that will be on the 28th of this month, which is just 2 days away for them to file their response. After their response, we also file a reply to their own response to our no-case submission, which is the normal procedure. So the matter has been adjourned graciously by the court until the 4th of May, 2026. Hopefully on that day, all things being equal, we will assemble here again to adopt our no-case submission. It is our argument in our no-case submission that this case ought not to be in the first place. So we are very hopeful and optimistic that the court will see reason and uphold our no-case submission. For now, I think that is the much we can discuss as far as this matter is concerned.